Not a good way to start a new series. Okay, so we're going to tear down this PlayStation 1, and there's 6 screws on the back all around, and we need to take them out. I have already taken out 3 because for no reason, and I don't know why, and that's not good. And I kind of like that because it was strong. Oh my god, I missed the screw. Trying to keep everything clean and clear. Over there. Okay, so let's flip this over and make sure this, oh my god, don't forget to take out the game. Most important thing. Close it and open it. So as you can see here, we got the DVD reader, I think it's called. Yes. And the charger, where you charge your device. Charge. Oh my god. So let's take this out. Oh, come on, work with me today. Come on. I know you want to. Ah, there we go. Good boy. Good boy. Let's take this out and place it right there. So what's the next thing, you guess? Let's take out this. And this is where you connect your controller. And there's an old controller with a wire. And it's not running Bluetooth. You know, that blåtann. And yeah, all in wires, you know, funny. Let's take this out. And take it out. Oh my god. Stay. Okay, you can see here. Here you got those memory card places where you take in your memory. And that's old school, really old school. And there's your controller. Just wait a minute. Let me get the controller. Here you got that old school memory card. You just put it right in there, like so. And here you got the controller with that freaking wire. Oh my god, I hate those things. Happy. And you place them in there. Funny to see how far we have come. So let's place this over there. And take the main board out first, or let's go with the power board from the barrel in Minecraft. Oh, come on, play with me now. Play good. Play good today. Oh my god. This is so old school. Think like from this to this. That is crazy. And this is only in 20 years. Totally insane. Okay, let's take out the next part. Oh, come on. Oh. A plastic holder to hold them cables. Yeah, bro. Nice. So this is totally the first time I'm doing this, and I'm not a pro. Accept it. Okay? If this machine will work with me today. Come on, baby. I know you want to. There we go. Next one. You know what? I'm just going to skip this part. Skip. Okay, we're back. All them screws removed. And now let's take out this metal piece. And I know what you're gonna say. Get rid of that rusty part. Now here we got the main board. And it's so shiny. You know what? We take out this first. Oh, really hurts. Put it right there. Let's skip them screws. Okay, so we're back. Let's take out this. It's beautiful, right? Just look at that. Oh my god, so much craziness. Okay, so here we got a parallel I/O. Here we got the AV multi-out. And on the other was AC in, which is power. Oh my god, almost dropped that. Okay, let's take out the last piece. Right here. Just aluminium. Ah, my eyes! Okay, let's place it right there. Shall we take a look at it? Okay, so here we got all them parts. Let's take this out of the way, right there. Let's take a look around. Okay, so let's put this together again. Okay, so we made it to the end. And I want to say thanks. I appreciate you watching. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Not there, but like in the comment section. And now excuse me, I'm going to play some games. See you.